Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. Both 3D and 2D I am going to teach you today. You can see the drawing here. In the drawing there are 3 views including isometric. The base dimension is here, you can see 95 by 55, thickness is 12 mm. First I will create this base. Here select new, select part. Here you can select metric. If you want, go to standard part in mm. Select here extrude, select the plane, create center rectangle, give the dimensions 55, enter tab, 95 mm. Finish, extrude up to 12 mm. So the base is ready. Now here there is a one flange, that dimensions is height is 56 to the center of the circle are 20 and thickness is 25 mm. For this select this surface, sketch, create one circle first, diameter 40 mm, give the dimension 56 mm, give the tangent condition here, here give the tangent condition, create one more circle here, trim this line, finish, select extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 25, next here there is a one flange, height is 33 mm, thickness is 12 mm. For that select this surface, sketch, create one corner rectangle here, give the dimensions, here select collinear, select this and this, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, give the dimension 12 mm. Next here there is a one cutout, that cutout dimension is 37 by 20, select this surface, sketch, this is 37, 20, here to here 20 and 15. Finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, remove material. Here we can select through hole. Okay. Next there is a chamfer 5 into 45 degree. Select the edges. By default also 45 degree. Next there is a fillets 8 mm. And here there is a 2 holes, diameter 12 mm, pitch is 37 from the side, 15 mm, and height is 12 mm. Select the hole. Here select simple hole also we can create. The diameter is 12 mm. Here before creating the whole feature we need to create the points. Give the dimensions. Give the horizontal alignment. Finish sketch. Now select hole. The diameter is 12 mm. Here we can select through hole. Okay. So that's the 3D. We can assign the material here. Select the generic. Which material you want, you can assign here. I will assign stainless steel. Here also can assign the polishers. For stainless steel we can give stainless brushed, stainless satin core screen. These are all the steel polishers. Like this we can give. So I will save this part. Wherever you want you can save. Now I will create the 2D drawing. Go to file. Here go select new. I have some templates. I will take my template. So just right click, base view, this is the front view and this is the side, this is the ISO, this is the top view. Scale, if you want, you can reduce here. This ISO view you can keep the original color. Now give the dimensions. First start from the overall dimension. Here create center marks for this. Select this one, select view, select these two view also. Select the same center mark features. In this view, give the overall dimension first. Here actually double zero is there, not required. Go to tools, document setting, go to manage, select style editor. Here remove this trailing zeros. If you want, you can keep. For tolerance and all, maybe it is required. Here add the quantity. Here add the thickness of the part. This thickness also. In the top view, give this dimension. Here we can show this thickness. Select this chamfer dimension. Here we can remove this chamfer. 5 into 45 degrees enough. And select this fillet dimension. We can give typical. Okay. So that's it, friends. This is only basic 2D tutorial. In the upcoming tutorial, I will show you how to create critical parts also, including GD&T, surface finish, everything. So please follow my channel, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you for watching this session, friends. Here we can assign the view also. Here select this light and go to edit. So this scale is not required. See, here view 1 is coming. If you want, you can change this view name as a front view. If you want, you can do this for all the views. So thank you for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next video.